Got Bee. Here.
Come here, Bee. Tell me about our nice point this morning.
She had a really nice point this morning. I wasn't out here in time to video for it, but we're gonna see if we can get her to do it again here on video. Right here in a different space. Some trees. Good girl. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and launching now. Sit. Oh. Well, this is a different kind of hunt because we're getting in the trees. But
Man, I am right on today. Yesterday I couldn't hit squat.
Bring her.
Now I need to scoot back another and make it all 50-yard shots.
Call her.
Bee, here. Come on, Mom. Bring that bird. Bee, come on. I see her moving around.
Still moving a little
Here,
bit.
get it. Get it. Come on.
Fighting
The
flies
birds are still kind of fluttering.
fluttering, yeah.
There you go. Good girl. Bring it here. 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 Be here. Here. Good dog. Good girl. Yeah, so good girl. Heel. Sit. Hold. Drop. Good girl. You're a good dog.